Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make smoothie protein powder. First, select your main protein source, like rolled oats, almonds, or hemp seeds. Next, decide on your flavor profile. Popular choices include unsweetened cocoa powder, vanilla bean powder, or a dash of cinnamon. Finally, consider adding optional ingredients such as chia seeds or flax seeds for extra fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. This foundational step ensures a delicious and nutritious base for your homemade powder. Now, let's get blending. Place all your chosen dry ingredients into a high-speed blender. Secure the lid and blend on high until the mixture transforms into a very fine, consistent powder. This might take a few minutes, so be patient. After blending, sift the powder through a fine mesh sieve to remove any larger, unblended pieces. This step is crucial for achieving that smooth, professional texture in your finished product. Once your protein powder is perfectly blended, proper storage is key to maintaining its freshness. Transfer the powder into an airtight container, like a glass jar or a sealed bag. Store it in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, to preserve its potency and flavor. When you're ready for a delicious smoothie, simply add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of your homemade protein powder to your blender with other ingredients. Enjoy your nutritious boost. The best part about making your own protein powder is the endless customization. Feel free to experiment with different nuts, seeds, and flavorings to create unique blends that suit your taste and dietary needs. Don't forget to add a scoop to your favorite smoothie recipes for an extra protein kick. And hey, if you're looking to enhance your home environment, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to bring your space to life with smart technology and amazing sound. Enjoy your personalized, healthy creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.